I am Dr. Vinay Samuel Gaikwad. I'm currently the Associate Director and Head of Surgical Oncology at Paras Cancer Center at Paras Hospital in Gurgaon. Um, I want to share with you my concern about cancer patients during this pandemic. Many patients have come to me and to many of my colleagues in oncology with symptoms, with the diagnosis of cancer, and have been afraid to get treatment because of the fear of contracting the virus. And now, as time is progressing, we are seeing more and more patients coming with advanced cancers who we cannot offer cure, who are in advanced stages, who may now require only chemotherapy or palliative care. So this is something that I wanted to bring to the attention of people who have been diagnosed with cancer or who have relatives, friends, loved ones who have been diagnosed with cancer. Let us encourage them to, uh, while maintaining all the precautions of social distancing, hand hygiene, and so on. But many times it is essential and mandatory to actually physically come to a hospital and get examined and evaluated by your oncologist and get the treatment required to ensure that nothing is missed out and that you get the best possible treatment and outcome. Because, as you know, cancer is a lethal disease in itself. So, any delay in treatment of cancer can have disastrous effects. So, it might sound scary, but it's true. And we are seeing more and more patients every day coming to us now with more and more advanced symptoms after not getting treated when they could have got treated uh, in the recent past. So, the point I'm trying to drive home is please um, consult your oncologist, consult your doctor. You can initially teleconsult or video consult, but if it's required and if suggested, please visit the place, the hospital where you feel that it's possible for you to visit, which is convenient for you. And even if surgery is required, it is possible to get a safe environment for surgery. Everything is being checked in most standard hospitals across the country. You can get a safe chemotherapy, safe surgery, and therefore tide over this time uh, in a good way. So basically, the point that I'm re-stressing here is that please do not ignore symptoms, do not ignore the diagnosis of cancer, and get your treatment as fast as possible, despite the situation at hand, because it's only going to be with us. It's going to be with us for a while now, and this disease is not going to wait. Thank you for your attention.